Dad, why do you love your car so much?
Because this is the only memory I have of your mom. So I want to take care of this car like how your mom took care of us. When you love something or someone, you have to take care of them. Caring is making you feel welcome and special.
Honda's one-stop shop experience.
Caring is about being authentic and real.
Highly approved genuine spare parts.
Caring is about exerting your most sincere and best efforts.
Highly trained technicians. Dedicated dealer staff.
Caring is about being present.
Service reminder. Service online booking. Special lane for customer's appointment. After service follow-up.
Caring is making it easy and convenient for you.
Affordable service packages and programs.
Caring is treating them right.
COVID-19 precautionary measures.
And lastly, caring is expressing your love in the best way you can. Son, is this?
Yes, it's your favorite car, Dad. The car that reminded you of Mom. I had it repaired.
Son, why?
When you love someone, you have to take care of them.
At our authorized dealerships, you are guaranteed of customer-oriented service, quality service, convenience, and value for money. Honda cares as much as you care for your loved ones.